Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. And we have started this new chapter, political parties. In the last video, I had given you a brief introduction about the political parties. Most visible institution of the country. Yes, it is very important to have political parties in the country. Another thing that we need to understand is people question, people say, in general, in most of the countries, can't the countries run without the political parties? Answer is no. Because political parties अगर नहीं होंगी तो if we say we are talking about democratic system, in the democratic system, political parties play a very important role. And without the political parties, imagining a situation where the king's rule is there, the ruler is there, और अगर डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है तो फिर क्या है? डिक्टेटरशिप है, ऑटोक्रेसी है. डू वी प्रिफर सच काइंड ऑफ गवर्नमेंट्स? आपने 9th क्लास में क्या पढ़ा? यू रेड इन 9th क्लास अबाउट नाजिज्म. You read in 9th class about Russian Revolution. Got it? Please try to understand the political system that existed in these countries other than democracy. Democracy नहीं थी. नाजी जर्मनी में क्या था? Absolute dictatorship. रशिया में क्या था? Autocracy. The Tsar. Got it? A very despotic ruler जिनको कि आम आदमियों के दुख सुख से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. उनका अपना काम आराम आराम से चलता रहे. That is very important. They can go to any extent for that purpose. Tsar participated in the First World War. ठीक है, I am talking of the Russian Revolution. And उसका हर्जाना किसको भुगतना पड़ा? To the people. They lost in, I won't say they lost, but they had to withdraw from the First World War. All these things together give us, ये जब सारी चीजें, when we analyze all these situations, I forgot the French Revolution. 9th class की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो I forgot about the French Revolution. French Revolution में क्या था? A complete rulers, the rule of the Louis XVI, उनका जो राजपाट था, उनका जो रूलिंग सिस्टम था लुईस 16 का, विल वी अप्रूव ऑफ दैट? क्या हम उसको बहुत अच्छे से एक्सेप्ट करेंगे? आर वी गोइंग टू रेडिली? होल सोसाइटी वॉज डिवाइडेड इंटू 3 states एंड द सबसे ज्यादा सताए हुए, द मोस्ट downtrodden ones, the 3rd state, and ultimately they have to rebel against the ruler. तो rulers की जो सोसाइटी थी उसमें representation नहीं था. The common people did not had a say in anything. अभी यहाँ पे because इतना मैंने कहा है तो I need to mention about the tennis court oath, where Abbasis had taken up the initiative. These people, उन्होंने कहा कि चलो चल के एक डेमोक्रेसी बनाते हैं, एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाते हैं, which will lead the illiterate people towards light. अगर उजाले की ओर जाना है तो रेवोल्यूशन लाना ही पड़ेगा. बिना रेवोल्यूशन के कुछ भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. This is what they had said. Got it? So, when these things, when these situations are looked after, then we understand that the parties that are there, the political parties, they are representing the common people. हमारी आवाज ऊपर तक ले जाने वाला, चाहे सरकार तक पहुंचाने वाला अगर कोई है, तो दैट इज दीज पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. So we need to respect them, we need to understand their ideology. That is one thing is very sure, different political parties have got different ideologies. अलग अलग लोगों की अलग अलग सोच है. Got it? तो 1 mark के लिए a very frequently asked question in your boards is the definition of political party. Got it? कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे हम पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को? ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल हु कम टुगेदर. ओके, ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल साथ में आते हैं. किस लिए? फॉर व्हाट? फॉर अ पर्पस, फॉर अ गोल. ओके, who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. Majorly साथ में आते हैं because they want to contest elections and they want to come up to some कुछ ना कुछ, मतलब कि they want to do something for the country or they want to achieve something. Okay, so they come together to contest elections and form government. Got it? If they don't form the government, अगर वो गवर्नमेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं फॉर्म, तो फिर उनका रोल क्या होता है? तो यहाँ पे ऑब्लिक डाल के वी हैव टू मेंशन इफ दे आर नॉट इन गवर्नमेंट देन इट इज ऑपोजिशन. डू यू थिंक ऑपोजिशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट? ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज बहुत ज्यादा. यू नो, जिस दिन ऑपोजिशन पार्टी का रोल खत्म हो जाएगा और द डे व्हेन द ऑपोजिशंस रोल स्टॉप्स, वी मूव टुवर्ड्स ऑटोक्रेसी और वी मूव टुवर्ड्स डिक्टेटरशिप. इट वॉन्ट बी अ डेमोक्रेसी. डेमोक्रेसी में टू हैव एन ऑपोजिशन पार्टी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जितनी भी पार्टीज हैं भाई, गवर्नमेंट वन पार्टी इज मेकिंग. पहले तो एक ट्रेंड था दैट 2-3 पार्टीज टुगेदर यूज्ड टू फॉर्म अ गवर्नमेंट which was also called as coalition government. Coalition government. 2-3 parties they come together and form. उसमें भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम थी, आपस में ही लड़ते रहते थे. ठीक है, then what happens that the public understood कि ये तो आपस की लड़ाइयों में इतना व्यस्त रहते हैं, हमारी भलाई का. when will they think about our welfare? Why we choose representatives. When we choose representatives, these representatives are forming the government. तो जब इन लोगों ने गवर्नमेंट बना लिया है, when they have made the government, तो they should do something for us ना. We have chosen them. हमने उनको लीडर बनाया, हमने उनको वो वाली सीट दी है जहां पे बैठ के वो रूल कर रहे हैं. तो their priority is to do our favor नहीं, आवर वेलफेयर, आवर गुड. ठीक है, थिंकिंग इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट मैनर. हमारे लिए कुछ क्रिएटिव होना चाहिए, समथिंग फ्रूटफुल, समथिंग पॉजिटिव नीड्स टू बी देयर. सो अंटिल एंड अनलेस अ गवर्नमेंट डज दैट, हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू जज दैट गवर्नमेंट? सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में तो वी आर रियली बेनिफिटेड. हाउ? आप अच्छा काम नहीं करोगे, यू डोंट डू अ गुड वर्क, आफ्टर 5 years, जैसे 5 years के पहले जब इलेक्शन के टाइम में आप आके हमको नमस्कार करते हो, means the political parties they come and they ask for vote, they beg for vote. I use the word beg because they literally do that. So when they beg for vote, so obviously we are giving them the vote, they have to show their performance. If they don't do it, then we also say a namaste after 5 years. We have seen your work नाउ थैंक यू सो मच, वी आर नॉट हैप्पी विद योर परफॉर्मेंस, आपके परफॉर्मेंस से हम हैप्पी नहीं है. ओके, सो दे वांट टू प्रमोट द कलेक्टिव गुड, सबका भला होना चाहिए. एंड डिफरेंट व्यूज आर देयर, व्हाट इज गुड फॉर ऑल. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि वन पार्टी इट इज वर्किंग for the betterment of the country, so other party will keep on opposing it or will keep on pulling them down. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. इससे क्या होता है ना कि the common people always face loss when the political parties fight amongst themselves. Okay, इसमें political party में one of the important features of the political party features नहीं, one of the important descriptions is that parties में there are fundamental political divisions, like the society is divided on many bases, on the caste basis, class basis, on the ideology basis. The party में ideologies are different, people have different viewpoints, got it. लेकिन parties have got something called as partisanship. Now what is partisanship? Please understand. A person, I discussed it in the last class, कभी कभी कल वाले वीडियो में I have told you, but again I am telling you, a person who is committed to a party. Suppose I am committed to some party, political party, okay, and it is partisanship में क्या होता है, tendency to take a side and inability to take a balanced view. Take a side का क्या मतलब हुआ? What do you mean by take a side? And imbalanced view. And inability to take a balanced view. हम जानते हैं यहाँ पे we cannot use the word imbalance. Imbalance का मतलब है कि पार्टीशनशिप में आदमी जो है थोड़ा दिमागी रूप से थोड़ा गया हुआ है. That's why we cannot use that word. Okay, we are saying that inability to take a balanced view, tendency to take a side and inability to take a balanced view. अब इसको समझो, पार्टी चाहे गलत हो चाहे सही हो, whatever is the policy of the party, I belong to that party and I will support the party in all the ways, in all the means. That is partisanship. Committed to a party strongly. मतलब inability to take a balanced view. अरे गलत कर रहे हैं, सही कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा बात तो करो. Just because I am a member of a party and I support a party, I cannot support the party blindly. We must support the party. जिस भी पार्टी को बिलोंग कर रहे हैं, there has to be a balanced view. गलत को गलत बोलने की ताकत होनी चाहिए. Like if I am a member of a party, if I am seeing something wrong happening, I must have the guts to oppose that. Okay, तो try to understand that partisanship तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Political parties majorly have got 3 components. 3 उसमें elements होते हैं. Without these 3 components, a political party cannot be complete. Okay, 3 components of a political party. क्या क्या है? सबसे पहले है, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बनाने के लिए इट नीड्स अ गुड लीडर. मैं गुड यहां नहीं कहूंगी, देखो लीडर तो बहुत सारे हैं. एवरी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हैज गॉट अ लीडर, लेकिन गुड एंड बैड का कॉन्सेप्ट हम अपने हिसाब से नहीं बता सकते हैं, तो देयर हैज टू बी अ लीडर। नेक्स्ट क्या है, लीडर हो गए हैं तो लीडर के फॉलोअर्स भी होने चाहिए। ओके, फॉलोअर्स तो बाद में आएंगे, लेकिन लीडर के साथ काम करने वाले कुछ लोग चाहिए। पार्टी तो बना ली, party is performing well, but there has to be some people who are working actively in the party and taking the party forward, उस पार्टी को आगे लेके जा रहे हैं। तो such members are needed in the party who are called as active members। पार्टी में एक्टिव मेंबर्स होने चाहिए, who work day and night। इलेक्शंस का टाइम होता है चिल्ड्रन, यू वोंट बिलीव द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, चाहे कांग्रेस हो चाहे बीजेपी हो, सम मेंबर्स आर देयर हु डोंट स्लीप, 2-2, 3-3 दिन, 4-4 दिन तक सोते नहीं है। दे आर सो बिजी इन आई मीन कैंपेनिंग एंड स्प्रेडिंग द मैसेज, गोइंग डोर टू डोर, एक एक लोग से जाके बात करनी है, पॉलिसीज बतानी है, उनका सपोर्ट गैदर करना है। हरक्यूलियन टास्क, छोटा मोटा काम नहीं है, इट्स अ बिग थिंग। गॉट इट? एक्टिव मेंबर्स हैव टू बी देयर, एंड सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी, इनके बिना भी पार्टी कंप्लीट नहीं होगी। खाली लीडर रहेंगे एंड एक्टिव मेंबर्स रहेंगे तो हु विल लुक आफ्टर द पार्टी पॉलिसीज? पार्टी पॉलिसीज को कौन देखेगा एंड हु विल बी गाइडिंग द पार्टी सिस्टम, पार्टी पॉलिसीज? तो फॉर दैट पर्पस members are needed. Got it? Followers are needed, who are standing with the party in the ups and the lows. अभी जैसे कि बीजेपी has formed the government and BJP has become very powerful these days. काफी लोगों का सपोर्ट उनको मिल गया है। तो द ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज विच आर देयर, चाहे वो कांग्रेस हो, बीएसपी हो, एसपी हो, द कम्युनिस्ट पार्टीज आर देयर, सबका अपना अपना व्यू पॉइंट है, एवरीबडी हैज गॉट देयर व्यू पॉइंट्स, बट द पार्टीज हु आर नॉट इन द गवर्नमेंट, जिन्होंने गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म नहीं किया है, ऑफ ये तो नहीं कह सकते कि उनका पावर उतना ही है, देयर पावर माइट हैव डिक्रीज्ड। इट इज पॉसिबल क्या, द पार्टी विच इज नॉट इन पावर, उनका पावर तो उतना, देयर स्ट्रेंथ इज नॉट एज द रूलिंग पार्टी। रूलिंग पार्टी का तो पावर ही अलग हो जाता है, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि उनका स्ट्रेंथ कम है। मेंबर्स, बहुत सारे मेंबर्स हैं, जब देखते हैं कि दूसरी पार्टी बहुत अच्छा कर रही है तो अपनी पार्टी छोड़ के दे लीव देयर ओन पार्टी एंड दे जॉइन द अदर पार्टी, बट देन दैट इज रॉन्ग। अभी तो लॉज आर देयर वेयर एनी मेंबर एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कैन नॉट जस्ट लीव द पार्टी एंड गो एंड जॉइन एनी अदर पार्टी। इस तरह से आप कभी भी अपना ग्रुप छोड़ के, मतलब एनी मेंबर just cannot leave the group like this and go and join some other party. Members cannot do that. Got it? This is one of the major things that needs to be followed. 3 components: leader, active members, and followers. All these 3 components together meet and then they form the political parties. Parties are formed. Political parties, they play a very important role in the system, in the democracy. Got it? लेकिन क्या काम करते हैं? Actually, what is their function? What is the work that they needed to do? What is the kind of activity they will be doing? The first thing that these parties do is that they contest elections. Suppose elections are happening और कोई political party ही नहीं है, then the purpose of democracy is failed. Got it? Contesting elections actively and coming to power and forming the government it is the dream of every political party. Whichever political party is there who form the government, they always dream that a time will come when they will be contesting the elections and they will get a clear majority and they will be forming a government. Got it? So elections happen, and elections are mainly fought amongst the candidates put up by political parties. Political parties, they decide who will be contesting elections. Got it? Which members? Anybody? I just can't go and say to BJP कि मेरे को भी elections में खड़ा कर दो. I also want to be. Wow, so nice. Can I say this? No. There are members who are continuously working for the party day and night. तो जब इलेक्शंस का टाइम आता है तो इन्हीं लोगों को टिकट दिया जाता है. The parties, they give ticket to such members. They select their candidates. First they decide कि वाराणसी में इलेक्शंस हो रहे हैं. वाराणसी being such a powerful place, Varanasi being of international importance, how Varanasi would be looked after and who would be the member who would be contesting the elections from Varanasi, ताकि जीत ही जाए, हारना नहीं है. Got it? Parties select their candidates. वाराणसी में इलेक्शंस हो रहे हैं. The elections are happening in Varanasi for the member of parliament. And who is the member of parliament from Varanasi? हमने किसको पार्लियामेंट में ले जाके बिठाया है? Yes, मोदी जी. Got it? So it is Varanasi, the people in Varanasi, the citizen of Varanasi. They have elected the leader as Narendra Modi with so much of majority, काफी वोट मिले थे उनको, and he has become the member of parliament. Okay? They select their candidates in different ways, बहुत तरीके से. अब like in USA, what happens? Members and supporters of a party choose its candidates. Voting होती है. You know, अभी क्या है कि like certain political parties are there. In these political parties, internal democracy is lacking. Internal democracy means the leaders who are elected, the leaders who are there, they dominate the party. उनके जो लोग होते हैं, उनके जो near and dear ones होते हैं, they get the first chance to contest the elections. They are the ones who are given more importance, those who are very close to the powerful members of the party. लेकिन USA में क्या है? Members and supporters of the party, they choose its candidates. Who would be contesting the elections? तो ये नहीं है कि अच्छा तुम जाओ तुम जाओ तुम जाओ और तुम जाओ. ठीक है, तुम यहां से you will be contesting the elections. Mr. Om Prakash ji, you would be there in Bareilly. The party leaders who are there, they nominate the candidates. Nominations नहीं है यूएसए में. वहां पे पार्टी के अंदर भी इलेक्शंस हैं. Okay, so members and supporters, they choose their candidates. अभी more and more countries are following this method. काफी सारी countries में, because what happens is कि कुछ लोग जो होते हैं in the party politics में, some members who are there, they don't do anything. कुछ करते तो है नहीं, बस खाली चमचागिरी करके टॉप पे पहुंच जाते हैं. Sorry to use this word, but that's the fact. It happens. Elections contest करने के लिए the members who are there, they try to be close to the powerful members. Congress में और in the BJP, the powerful members who are there, सारे लोग उन्हीं को घेर के रहेंगे. Everybody will try to have favor कि अगर इनकी नजर हमारे पे पड़ जाएगी तो I will be also getting the ticket, I will be also contesting the election. तो many people, many countries are there who are following the policy of internal democracy. Okay, इंडिया है, टॉप पार्टी लीडर्स दे चूज द कैंडिडेट्स फॉर कॉन्टेस्टिंग इलेक्शंस. जस्ट नाउ दैट आई वाज सेइंग कि तुम बरेली से, तुम सीतापुर से, and you will be from Lucknow, and this way they decide, which is not the correct method. Are BJP has got its, it's such a big party. Its members are spread all over India. Being such a big party, there has to be a judicious decision taking. बहुत सोच समझ के कैंडिडेट्स को डिसाइड करना चाहिए which are the candidates who will be participating or contesting in the elections. Got it? The second is the policies and programs. Please understand, contesting elections is the first thing, and then making policies and making programs, and the voters choose from them. उसी में से voters choose करेंगे किसको जो है लीडर बनाना है. The voters then decide. So try to understand, parties put forward different policies and programs. Our policies and programs are decided by the parties. Got it? They make their own policies, they make their programs, but policies and programs are decided according to the need of the people. लोगों को क्या चाहिए? What do the people require? And how it is to be fulfilled, that is what is the major thing that is decided by the parties. And each of us, हमारे सारे जितने भी हम लोग हैं, we may have different opinions. Of course, our thought process is different. So our opinions would be different. Our views would be different. And what policies are suitable for the society? Society में ऐसी क्या चीजें लगाई जाए? What should be the decisions to be taken for the society as a whole? That is to be decided. So who decides it? It is the parties, the political parties which are there in the power, and the opposition also keeps a check. Opposition, I told you now, opposition plays a very important role. If opposition is not there, तब तो आप समझ लो कि dictatorship हो जाएगी. It would be either dictatorship or the form of government that would be there. Definitely not approved. Okay? So no government can handle such a variety of views. North, south, east, west, people are in all the directions spread, and every person has got their own principles, their own criterias. सबको फॉलो करना is practically not possible. लेकिन democracy में what happens, many people are there, large number of people are there who have got similar opinion. For example, majority will say कि हाँ corruption जो है वो खत्म करना चाहिए. India is a country which is full of corrupt officials, full of corruption. This needs to be checked. इसको चेक करना बहुत जरूरी है. ये चीज हम लोगों को समझना पड़ेगा. We need to understand certain points. Got it? तो variety of views are there, and democracy में large number of similar opinions are there, which is grouped together. कि ज्यादातर लोग क्या चाहते हैं? Majority, what does the majority want? तो political parties keep a check on that. बार बार लोगों के बीच में जाना है, to go between them, to talk to them, and to know about the common view of the common people. Okay? And the viewpoints are taken. लोग क्या चाहते हैं? They talk to them, and then a direction is given. कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर ये ऐसा चाहते हैं, we will be doing such a thing. कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, they decide. then they make a policy, then they think कि whatever is to be achieved, corruption अगर हटाना है साल भर का टाइम तो लग जाएगा, नहीं कभी कभी ऐसा होता है it will take 2 years. तो which policies can be formulated by the government, that is being seen and that is being talked over. So we have talked about two of the major functions of the political parties. One is contesting elections and the other one is making policies and programs. Next we will be discussing it in the next class. Further we'll be discussing. Thank you children and all the best to you.